Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: device charged on your network and the app updated. Open Control Center and sign in so your settings sync. This ensures profile-based controls load. Once done, accept the permission prompts for location, notifications, and Bluetooth because they enable live status and device discovery. Make sure to tap any initial setup shortcuts. They pre-configure common devices. This first phase gets the app ready to find, control, and report device states without later permission interruptions. Next, add or scan devices and organize them into rooms or groups so you can control multiple items quickly. You do this because grouping reduces repetitive taps and centralizes automation. Once devices appear, create presets and quick actions for common routines. These save time and ensure consistent behavior. Then adjust sensitivity, schedules, and notification thresholds per device, because fine-tuning prevents false alerts and unwanted triggers. Make sure to test a preset immediately so you confirm the intended response and refine settings if needed. To finish, run a full test. Trigger presets, use remote control, and confirm that status updates and logs match expected results. This validates automation's work under real conditions. Then back up your configuration to the cloud or export a settings file so recovery is fast after any issue. If a device fails to respond, restart the device, confirm Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, and repair it in the app. This resolves most connection errors. If problems persist, review logs and retry the specific step that failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.